BandLab versus Pro Tools, which recording software is better? Choosing the right software can transform how you create music without complex setups. BandLab offers cloud-based ease while Pro Tools delivers industry-standard power. BandLab and Pro Tools are popular recording software but serve different needs. BandLab is a free, cloud-based platform focused on collaboration and accessibility. Pro Tools is a professional-grade DAW with advanced tools for detailed audio production. BandLab is a cloud-based digital audio workstation accessible via browser or app. It allows musicians to record, edit, and mix tracks online without installing software. Its collaborative features enable multiple users to work on projects simultaneously, making remote teamwork seamless. BandLab includes a variety of virtual instruments, loops, and effects, ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Its intuitive interface simplifies music creation, while automatic cloud saving ensures projects are secure and accessible anywhere. However, BandLab's processing power and advanced editing tools are limited compared to desktop DAWs. It may not support complex mixing or mastering workflows required by professionals. BandLab is best suited for creators seeking easy access, social collaboration, and quick production without investing in expensive software or hardware. Pro Tools is a professional digital audio workstation widely used in studios worldwide. It offers comprehensive recording, editing, and mixing capabilities with high-resolution audio quality. Pro Tools supports advanced features like multi-track recording, extensive plugin integration, and precise automation controls. Its powerful editing tools allow detailed waveform manipulation and seamless handling of complex sessions. Pro Tools requires installation on a dedicated workstation and often pairs with specialized hardware for optimal performance. It has a steeper learning curve and comes with subscription or perpetual licensing costs. Despite this, Pro Tools is favored by professional engineers, producers, and composers who demand industry-standard reliability and depth. It excels in large-scale projects, post-production, and environments where precise control and sound quality are paramount. BandLab and Pro Tools cater to different user needs and environments. BandLab's cloud-based platform shines for remote collaboration, ease of use, and cost-free access, perfect for beginners or casual musicians creating on the go. However, it lacks the advanced editing depth and hardware integration found in Pro Tools. Pro Tools excels in professional studio settings, offering unmatched audio fidelity, plug-in support, and detailed session management. It requires more investment in time and resources, but delivers the precision and power essential for high-end production. For solo creators or teams needing quick, accessible workflows, BandLab is ideal. For professionals handling complex mixes and demanding projects, Pro Tools remains the top choice. Choose BandLab if you want free, easy-to-use software with cloud collaboration for quick music creation without the need for advanced studio tools. Opt for Pro Tools if you require professional-grade features, superior audio quality, and comprehensive control for detailed recording and mixing. It's the industry standard for serious producers and engineers seeking precision and depth in their music production.